BA Performance and Media at USW is a place for you to find your identity and live that in the world of media and theatre. We have staff with experience in the media industry, in the theatre industry. There's a wonderful community of businesses, other students who are working. Cardiff's a really great place. There's TV, there's film, there's theatre work and many things in between. So it offers lots of possibilities for your future. In the third year, students undertake a placement with business. We're collaborating with different students. There are things like the Immersed Festival that students get involved in, and regularly businesses are asking if there are students who want to get involved with productions. There's a really broad range of careers that we see our graduates taking up. So some are runners, researchers, they're working with TV studios, theatres, independent production companies. Some students go into teaching. This gives you a place to kind of go, where do I sit? What are the things and works that I want to make, and how do I find my way in the world?